We do this in our sleep. There's something about this girl, man, from around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings? But it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away, simply run away. You can try to run and hide, it won't make a difference.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Michelle Amoré, and if you're new here, hi, hello, welcome. So I'm gonna be vlogging a bit this weekend. We are on our way to Austin, Texas. We're about 20 minutes or 30 minutes away from like our apartment that we're moving into in Austin. So basically, if you're watching this, you already know that I committed to UT. I committed to UT Law. I'm just gonna take you guys along on the behind the scenes with like my photo shoot, checking out our new apartment. So my fiance already signed our lease, so we're literally going to just like check out the space for me to see what I want to do in terms of decor and what we need. I'm also gonna have a YouTube space, which I'm so excited because we're doing a 2-bedroom, so it's so great to have more space. And yeah, what else? It's gonna be a fun 3 years for him. But yeah, I'll be in law school, so yeah. But I went to UT undergrad, so I'm already familiar with the city, so it's kind of like, you know, same old for me a little bit, but different because I'm coming with my whole fiance and future husband. So I really am excited. It just feels so great to like be in this like transitional space and experiencing something new and just going on a whole new different journey. So I'm really excited to bring you guys along with this ride. So I'll check in with you guys when we get to the apartment complex. All right, so we just got to the apartment. Now we're checking out the what is this, the fitness. It says yoga spin room, so I guess it's the whole fitness area and stuff. Oh, that's cool. So this is just the spin room, the yoga room, I guess. They have yoga mats and stuff. Do they have lessons and stuff? Oh my god, I would do it, I hope. Okay, this is the actual fitness center. It's so pretty. Now we're heading on over to the pool. So actually there's 2 pools and 2 fitness centers here, and it's a really big apartment complex. So this is the second one. The nicer one is actually closer to where we live, so I'm happy about that. Cool. Oh babe, I think this is the view that we saw in the pictures. Okay, that makes more sense. All right, that's nice. I like it. It's cute. All right, so now we're gonna go check out the fitness center and then also the community workplace area. This is nice. You like it? He's the one that's gonna spend a lot of time in here. You gonna be working out? Yeah, I'm gonna be working out. I'm gonna be on the spin. I'm gonna take the spin classes. I'm gonna take the spin classes. It's nice. You like it? All right, so that's everything. That's the entire apartment. Honestly, I think it's pretty cute. Like, I literally was about to live in a 4x4 with like 3 other random people. So I'm very, very happy, very, very grateful, and this is making me feel a lot better about moving to Austin, or moving back to Austin, and starting school. Because like the last thing you want to worry about is dealing with roommates you don't like, or people who don't know how to keep things clean. But at least with having our own space, Like I can make it feel very homey, decorated, and just feel really good about like where we live. So I'm happy. Oh. Okay. So this is the view when you enter. And then I guess this is like the living room space. I like the lighting fixtures they have in here. I think it's definitely plenty of room. It's cute.
I like the ceilings.
Yeah, I like ceilings. Oh, babe, the door's open. Here's the laundry space with the washer and dryer. And then this is the bathroom. It's cute. And then this bathroom leads to 2 different rooms. So, oh wait, just 1 room. So, babe, which one's the main room? Or are they both the same size? Oh, this is the master. Okay, and then there's the closet space. Oh, it's smaller than our old one, but it's fine. Okay, okay. Oh, this is the office space. All right, that's your office space. Well, I'm glad it's enough space. That's a lot of space, actually. And then YouTube stuff, I need this window for lighting. So I'm probably gonna have this corner be my YouTube corner. And then what else? Yep, that's pretty much everything. It's nice. What do you think?
It's good, I like it.
Yeah, it's cute. Oh, this is the second bathroom. Oh, this is nice. Oh, I like this as a second bathroom.
And this closet.
Let me see the closet. I didn't even see that. Oh, okay. I think this has more space than the other one.
Does it?
It seems like it. I'll probably use this as my closet, babe. You can have yours and I'll have mine. No, I think that'd be the best way to go. Overall, I really do like it. I do. And then to just kind of show you guys appliances. Yeah, just everything basic that everything has. A lot of cabinet space, which I like for storage and stuff. I just wish that the appliances were, what's it called? Stainless steel. That's the only thing that annoys me about it, but it's fine. We'll probably have like the dining room set right here. Yeah, we'll do dining set here. And then just the main living room here. TV up there mounted on the wall. And yeah, I want to keep it very open. Oh, I would even see the pantry. It's so small. Oh my goodness. But yeah, it'll work. It'll work. I like it. It's not bad for a law school apartment. Yeah, it feels like a townhouse with like the stairs and everything. But I like it. It doesn't feel like a typical like apartment. It feels more homey. All right, so that was everything. And I like that it's a keyless entrance. So yeah, that is gonna be our future home. Yay! Excited?
Yay!
Okay, so we just left the apartment. Now we're heading on over to the co-op by UT so I can pick up some clothes for my photo shoot tomorrow. Cause you know, last minute me, so yeah. There's the tower.
Cause I'm all in. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty. All this designer on my body got me drip. Straight up out the yacht, just I'm a big trip. If I got up on a lean, I'm a sip. I run the racks up with my queen, like London and Nip. But I got rich on all these niggas, I didn't forget back. I had to go through the struggle, I didn't forget that. I hopped inside of the Maybach and now I can sit back. These bitches know me now, cause I got the big racks. Cause I'm getting money.
Alright, it's time to get my cap and gown. I honestly cannot wait. I can't. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. So I just got done getting my pedicure done because my feet were atrocious. But we're at Walmart right now. I forgot my engagement ring at home like a dummy, so I'm gonna go buy like a fake ring to wear for my pictures because I feel naked without it, so, and I can't take pictures without it. So I'm gonna go do that. And then for my outfit, I was gonna pick up like a peplum, or not a peplum, but like a collared shirt thing to put under my sweater for the UT photo. So hopefully they have it. I'm just running errands right now and trying to get my life together. Like, this is why I hate photo shoots, because it's just so stressful getting everything. Well, no, it's my fault because I didn't plan, but yeah. I'll check in with you guys later.
Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean to disrespect, but thoughts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I.
We just got eaten at Texas Roadhouse. Honestly, if you don't have a Texas Roadhouse near you or in your state, you're missing out. Like, the food was so bomb.
Rolls.
Ooh, them rolls. Them rolls. Oh my goodness. So we are stuffed and are going to head to the hotel room. I still got to do my hair and like straighten it and everything, but I'll see you guys tomorrow on photo shoot day. Hey you guys, so it is now Saturday and it's shooting day. I just got back from doing my makeup. We've literally been in a rush all day long. Like, this has not been fun, but I'm glad to finally get our shoot done in like the next 30 minutes. So we're gonna go get dressed and get to our first location. And yeah, hopefully you guys can see some of the behind the scenes pics and videos of the shoot. All right, we are ready. I don't have my heels on. All right, so we're at the first location. Look at how beautiful. It is stunning. You like it? Yeah, it's cute. Hey y'all, so we just got done shooting at the UT Tower. Now we're heading on over to the law school to shoot over at the law school really quick, and then it's a wrap. So far the pictures have been so cute. I also took some with my mans. So yeah, I'm super excited to get them back. So last time I came to UT, they were doing construction here, and now it's done. So we're gonna take my pictures over here with the big sign. I'm super excited. It has such a pretty sign to like take pictures at. So yeah, I'm excited. Are you excited? Y'all, I'm so extra. My man was like, why I gotta be in these pictures? And like, personally, I just feel like pictures are really important to commemorate like new things, new stages in life, because you get to look back at them when they're done and just be like, wow, look at how much the pictures have changed, look how much we've changed and all that kind of stuff. So he'll be fine. But he's been such a good sport.
Baby, the minute I feel your energy, the vibe is just taking over me. I start feeling so crazy, baby. Lately, I feel the fun coming over me. I don't know what's gotten into me. The rhythm's got me feeling.
Alright, so we just finished up and my edges are done for, but it's a wrap. It's a wrap, UT. I'm so excited. I'll leave information about like who did my makeup and photography down below. You guys definitely go check them out. If you're in Austin and you need those services, go ahead and know who to go for. But yes, I'm so happy.
Welcome, Longhorns, future Longhorns here.
Future Longhorns. It's just a couple of weeks. How wait, we moved
3 weeks.
in about 3 weeks from now. We're going to be moving to Austin. So we're going to Dubai this weekend for like a final like hurrah before I start law school, and then we're moving when we come back. So yeah, that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was something kind of a little different for me, but I'm really excited to bring you guys along this journey. Go ahead and like, share, subscribe, comment down below anything, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Ready, you guys say bye?
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag, ooh. You a bad girl and your friends bad too.